Bloody hell! Oh, back end. Oh, crap! Woohoo! Whoa! My God, hardly any throttle. Whoa! Ah, front tyres arrived. Like a child at Christmas. Nice. So the original one's 2.5 inch wide. This is 3 inch. It's a sexy tyre. It's a sexy tyre. Cool. That's the new tyre against the original. Look at the difference. Yummy. So with the rear back brake disc, I had that issue here. I was going to buy a new disc because it was too low, but what I've done is I've brought the caliper all the way around underneath, made a couple of holes. Well, this one I'm using the existing axle hole here, and I've just cut a section here. Not ideal because of the space here, there's not much clearance, but I do enjoy a good bodge. Seems to be okay. Yeah, as someone mentioned in the comments there about this not being strong enough, it's quite thin. It's solid, but I think there is a bit of flex actually. So I'm under a lot of stress. I'm wondering if they'll flex and move and hit these sides on the... It won't snap. I can't imagine that snapping. It's solid, but I've also not left much space between this piece here, the old motor mount, and I was worried if the wheel at high speed was going to expand and rub on that. Another risk, but I will contemplate about strengthening this, adding some strengtheners. I will. Let's just check the brakes. Oh, it's not brilliant. And it does feel a bit weird with that front tyre. So this one's on, the front brake's on, but it's broken here, the bracket. New one of those. Oh, it's not a great stopping distance, but they work. A few little adjustments. I did actually say I was going to buy a new brake lever, didn't I? But what I've done is I bodged it properly here with a Jubilee clip. It's solid, it saved me some money. It doesn't look pretty, but it's not about prettiness, is it? It's about functionality. And I did not want to use these lead acid batteries, but because I want to get this video out there, I just haven't got time to build the lithium battery pack, which I am going to do eventually. But I'm going to use these very heavy lead acid batteries, so I'm going to tidy up a little bit, get this these 5 batteries to make 60 volts. I want to get the video out there, get this wired up, let's test it. Okay, so these two are in series, they're in series. I'm just going to link that and that, and then this one be at the side. So the mains from here and the neg from here. Yeah, that's right. Let's get it on. Okay, it's ugly. It's ugly, but we're going to try it as it is. It's got to fit the speed controller now. And gosh, it's very, very heavy bike. It's very heavy. Again, temporary fix. I'll do this much tidier at some point. Let's just get it in there for now. What's that say? Ah, display, I need that one. Nice. Okay. Throttle key. Throttle key. Okay. So that. Throttle key. Nice. Next, we have I've done that, self-learning. Crying out loud. Okay. What's this? What the heck was that? Self-learning. We've got the throttle, brake light. Let's get them out of the way. I think I better get on the other side. I think these are the brake cut off. I'm going to have to just attach the wires together, because it's just a cut off, so 2 wires. When it makes a circuit, when I pull the brake, that should just cut off. It's just a temporary thing. Okay, bodge time. This is it's just temporary, calm down. Doesn't matter which way this goes in, because it's just a cut off. It's just got to make a circuit. Yeah, I should be fixing it better. I'll get the connectors later. So let's put that in there. Shove that right in. Proper bodge. Just put the ends in there. I'll put some tape over it, that'll do. Okay, now I've got those all connected. I've got this one here, haven't I? The main one. Now, is this going to pop? This is going to pop, isn't it? Or is it because I've done a bench test already? It's already sort of charged up the controller. Ah! Okay. Hey! Ah, cool. Okay. Does it work though? That's the thing. Hold the controller down. Woo-hoo! Don't pull that throttle in here. Okay, the first thing I want to check is make sure okay, it goes forward. Let's check the brake cut-off works. Yeah. Yes, at least I'm going to have a bit of safety. Okay, let's do a quick garden test. Okay, I'm not being stupid. Let's just give it a level 2. Oh dear hell, why am I nervous? Whoo! Wow, that's not too bad, is it? Level 2. Well, let's give it another. Don't want to do too much before the speed test for battery reasons. It's quite nice. It's not terrible. It's not as bad as I thought it'd be with these batteries. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Let's give it a go. Oh my god! Oh no, that ain't stable. The front wheel's wobbling all over the place. Damn! False alarm. False alarm. Stop. What the bloody hell? It's saying 16 miles an hour. It felt like 60. Alright, let's see what we got. I'm just scared of the front wheel. Doesn't feel stable. Okay, come on. Number 4. Oh fuck, it's 5. Oh my god! Bloody hell! That don't feel safe at all. That doesn't feel safe. It's really unstable. I'm not used to it, and it's fast. It feels fantastic for speed, but wow, it's woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I'm scared to turn the thing. Whoa! I'm getting used to it. Still scared to turn the corner. Come on. Oh, this is level 4. I don't know if 5 will do anything in terms of acceleration. I think it'd be more. Oh, it's, you know, this is with these rubbish batteries. What's it going to be like when it's got the lithium? I amp. Woo! God, it's twitchy. Very twitchy. Whoa! The brakes are rubbish. Whoa, it's these corners. I'll get used to it. I'll get used to it and just have faith in it. Whoa! Whoa! Back end. Whoa! Crap! Woo! It's crazy. Whoa! I need a nice big open piece of track now, don't I? But let's give it a bit more beans down here. Oh, it's the back end. It's sort of wobbling. It's wobbling. Okay, let's do level 5 when I'm not even going full throttle anyway, so. Okay, I'm getting used to it a little bit. Let's take it somewhere else, a bit more open, and sort that brake out. Well, the brakes are fixed, and it's not the speed this does that's scary. It's the actual unpredictability of it. It's a little nutcase of a thing. That was a nice bit of track there. This is on level 2 on grass. Woohoo! Whoa! Yeah! Straight. That was fun. Actually feels better on grass, as it should do, with these knobbly tyres on it. I'm not going to give it a full speed test yet, especially on this gritty stuff, windy gritty stuff. But this is, I'm on level 4. I thought I was on level 2. I thought there was someone behind me there. Okay, well, I'm going to take it to a little open stretch bit now and see what it can do. Let's see what it can do. Not here, but I'll give it a little bit of beans. No, hang on. Not yet. Let's wait a second. Calm down, calm down. Okay, I'm going to put it on 5 anyway, ready. And I think that might be enough. I'll just gently go down here for now. Okay, let's get ready. Okay. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh my god. Oh my god, hardly any throttle. That is flaming crazy. But I couldn't even look at the speedo then, it was that quick. I was too scared. Oh, loads more throttle. I think I was just over half throttle, but it felt like it was hovering across the floor. Whew. But it's how it gets to the speed as well. It's absolutely crazy. Okay, let's try it again. Is that someone there? Oh heck. Okay, we'll go the long way around. Let's go around again. Yeah, I need to do a bit more off-roading, but not with these current swing arms. It's too unstable. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Okay, no one's coming. One more speed test, level 5. Obviously this isn't going to be the full speed of a lithium battery pack. Anyway, let's go. Faster, could have gone faster. Sorry, go for it. Yeah, just testing out the toy. Okay, off-road. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's miles better. Oh, slush. Nah. Well, I think that will be it for testing with these batteries. Next time will be with the lithium, and I'm sure it's going to have a lot more punch and get them amps coming out, because that is definitely not pulling the 80 amps out of these poor batteries. So yeah, next time I'll do a proper test with some lithium batteries. But yeah, it's a crazy little thing. It feels like it's doing twice the speed it's actually doing. That felt like 50, 60 miles an hour, easy. But yeah, very unstable. Fun, and wow, very exciting little thing, and it pulls off fantastic, and it's lovely and wobbly. So yeah, oh gosh, next time lithium batteries. Well, the next one will be building another mini bike from scratch, probably the same power but smaller. You can chuck it in the boot of the car, so that would be the next one. So just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Woo-hoo. Yeah, I like the wobble now. I'm used to that wobble now.